everyone, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. So I'm doing 25 days of holiday crafts and today is day 5. Today I'm going to show you how to make tree stump ornaments like this one and this one. Everything I use will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So first, all I'm doing is painting all 3 tree stumps white with some acrylic paint. Now I'm taking my bottom 2 tree stumps and tying them together. Now I'm just using a Sharpie and some acrylic paint to give my snow girl a face. So I took an old shirt of mine and I cut out an 8-inch piece of fabric to make a scarf. I rolled up my scarf and secured it with some hot glue and then gave the ends some fringe. If you have a tool that could put another hole in the middle snowball of the snow girl, you could do that and then you can attach the head to the middle, but I didn't, so I'm using some hot glue. Add some buttons and put a tie on the top so that you could hang it and it's ready to go on your tree. Now we're going to do the Grinch, so I used some green acrylic paint and some yellow for the eyeballs, and then I took a black Sharpie and just kind of copied his face. So for this next one, I just printed out a little picture of a little cute hipster squirrel guy, and I'm using some Mod Podge first so that it sticks, and then I'm going to put some Mod Podge on top of it so that it stays. After it dried, I took a Sharpie and made some polka dots in the background. First, I painted this with some white acrylic paint, and then I sprinkled some white glitter on top, and then I used my alcohol inks in blue and green and tried to make it look like Mother Earth. If you put a little too much on like I did, I would take a napkin and kind of dab it. It kind of makes the colors blend too, so you could do it regardless. I added some green glitter on the rim of my world as well. Okay, so we're making Rudolph here. First, I used some brown acrylic paint and outlined it in Sharpie, added a red Pom Pom for the nose, and then used some wired yarn that I got at Michael's for the ears. So I only used Sharpies for this one. Okay, so those were a bunch of different variations of things you could do with these tree stumps. I would love to see your renditions, so please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you made. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please don't give it a thumbs down. Definitely subscribe to me if you want to see 20 more days of holiday crafts. Also, just a little tip, if you want anything you made to be able to stand and not be hung on a tree, instead you could take a free stump and just glue it right on so your snow person could stand.